An account of occurrence and distributions of given algae. Algae are a diverse, ubiquitous group of photosynthetic organisms predominantly found in aquatic environment, freshwater and marines, but in also specialized terrestrial habitat worldwide. Their wide distributions influenced by factors such as light, temperature, water availability, nutrients levels, and general occurrence and distributions. General occurrence and distributions. Mm, Algae are broadly categorized by their habitats. Uh, aquatic में है aquatic. The majority of algae are aquatic. Freshwater found in ponds, lakes, rivers, and with disease low salinity. Common example include Spirogera, Volvex, Elothera, Chlamydomonas, Sinestesment, water, while Cladofera and Vidozinum are found in slow running waters, and marine found in high salinity sea water, and the habitat of home to the brown algae like brown algae like giant brown algae. Examples like giant caps like the Microcystis and Microcystis, Serges, Spirogera, and some red algae, Porifera and Zalidium, and some green algae, Ulfa, terrestrial plants. This grows on most soils, rocks, and the trees bark and containing the rainwater in the humidity temperature. Common example include Spirogera chlorella and oscillatory, and algae of specialized habitats. Algae of specialized habitats. Glyphatic algae found on snow and ice and glyphatic temperature and impacting colors like red hemiacetic nevis and the Chlamydomonas and the snow. And the trophatic algae. Trophatic algae live in of spring and temperature up to 50 लेके 70 सेल्सियस 122 से लेके 58 से Fahrenheit. Habitat broadly encompassed in the species in green algae species and green algae species oscillatory brevis and Cyanomenaces. Saponitic algae thrive in high concentrations. Salt lakes such as Juvenalina, Salina, symbiotic, epiphytic, and parasitic algae. Many other association with other organisms. Example include nostoc of the inside into the other plants and the Zuccolorella inside other plants and animals like Hydra. And the parasitic which are used in the cephalaris is red rust and red rust disease on tea and coffee plants. And the distributions of major algal group key pigments and primary habitats and green algae algal group green algae key pigment chlorophyll A or B or primary habitat primary freshwater marine and terrestrial chlorophyll brown algae chlorophycia key pigment chlorophyll A or E fucoaxanthins fucoaxanthin halena almost exclusively marine and cold coastal waters है ना. इसके बाद फिर क्या सी है Rhodophycia chlorophyll A and D phycocyrethrin and mostly in coastal areas wide in agres and coastal areas wastewater in the blue penetrates lights. इसके बाद फिर क्या सी है लास्ट में क्या से blue green algae and the Icoventhesia and chlorophyll A and phycocyanin distribution in all algae found in the freshwater marine soil and rocks hot springs. इसके बाद क्या सी है Last, this wide, this wide, this wide distributions highlights to adapt the ability adaptability to the diverse and sometimes extreme environment and conditions globally. Answer complete.